Okay. Okay. Yes, Mom? I've got something you should show that I gave you. Go on. What were you saying?
We're going to be the laughing stock of the internet.
Oh, we already are. Don't worry.
Okay. It's right over here.
Yeah? Oh, are you trying to get to... All right. This is, we're gonna... Is this typewriter time? All right. I wanted to make a video about the typewriter. I'm excited about that. Okay, this is actually really cool. Go ahead. Yeah, don't drop it. Whoa. You want to give us the pitch for this thing? What exactly?
This is an old Olympia typewriter.
Okay.
And back in the day when I graduated from high school, this was like the big gift.
Whoa.
That you got when you were about to go off to college.
Cool.
So lots of students got their own typewriter to take away to college, and
this was yours?
This was mine, yeah.
How cool.
And so I gave it to you, and you thought it was this most wonderful old relic that, spoke to the olden days.
It really does. I imagine that people communicated with these right after they stopped using smoke signals. This is fantastic. I love it.
Return.
Uh-huh. And that'll do the stuff. And then these also do stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, the sound of that is great. Yeah. It's so exciting. Oh no. Up next, we're talking about pictures. This is me in my first job as a Delta flight attendant. Okay, I'm just kidding. We should end the previous video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video where we're going to talk about pictures because the scrapbook stuff is all set up. We'll promise to take it a little bit more seriously, but not much. Okay, bye.